Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful, very small, very cute crochet pumpkin appliques. You can also consider these as crochet orange appliques. It is like this. Only one row we are making these, dear friends. This is a very nice idea, especially the very beginners. The pattern is so easy. In one day you can make many. You can connect them to each other with a rope and you can make a garland. It will be a very nice idea for ornament in your house for Halloween time. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. We need three colors for this crochet pumpkin, or you can call it crochet orange applique. The orange color for the main part of the pumpkin, this is for the leaf, this is for the branch. That's all what we need. But if you are going to make a garland, you will need a fourth color. You will connect them to each other for the garland. I'm using 3mm hook, scissors to cut the yarn, and a small size hook in order to hide the yarn ends in the back side of the crochet. Okay, we are starting. I'm taking my orange color in my hand and we are starting by making magic ring. Like this. I'm taking my 3mm hook in my hand, pull through, I'm keeping here, and I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, I'm inserting my hook in the ring like this, yarn over, pull through, and I am making a double crochet. Yarn over, I'm inserting my hook again in the same ring, making the second double crochet. Yarn over, inserting my hook again in the same ring and making another double crochet. Yes. There will be totally 18 double crochets, dear friends. I am considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, and if I consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will go on making double crochets on this thread till I find the double crochet quantity 18. Now it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this is 18, like this. Now I am pulling this short yarn end. I will pull it till I close this space. I am pulling tightly. You see, it is closed. Now I am inserting my hook here at top of the first 3 chains. I'm inserting my hook on chain 3 and making a slip stitch. I'm making 1 chain to fix the yarn well, and I am cutting the yarn. Okay, now I am going to hide the yarn ends in the back side. Since this is long, I am going to use a darning needle. Of course you can hide also with a hook, no problem. I'm taking my darning needle in my hand and I will pull through. I will hide this yarn end by pulling through the yarn end through the back stitches, like this. A few times I am doing this. It is okay. Now I can cut the yarn end. This is short. For this reason I'm going to hide this short yarn end with the help of a small size hook. This is 1.5 millimeters hook. If you don't have small size hook, no matter, you can do the same thing for the hook you already crochet. But since it is easier for me, I am doing like this. A few times I will do this. Later on I am cutting the yarn. I am cutting. Now we are going to make this leaf and this part. I am starting for the leaf. Taking my green color in my hand, I will start on top, I mean the place that I finish. Inserting my hook on the top stitch. I will make pull through firstly. I am making this short yarn end like this in order to fix it well. And now I am going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm inserting my hook in the chain 3 and making a slip stitch. I am going to the chain 2, making a single stitch. Now yarn over. I am going to the chain 1. This time, one moment, here chain 1. This time I am making a half double crochet. Now I am going to the following stitch like this. One moment, let me show you here. In the following stitch I'm inserting my hook and making a slip stitch, making 1 chain to fix the yarn, and I am cutting like this. And I am going to make this brown part. I'm taking my brown color in my hand and I'm starting in the place that I finished the leaf. I mean here I'm inserting my hook. First of all I'm fixing, I'm doing like this. Yes, I am going to make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. I am inserting my hook in the chain 2, making a slip stitch. I am going to the chain 1, making a slip stitch. I am inserting my hook in this following place and making another slip stitch like this. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Like this, dear friends. Now we are going to hide these yarn ends in the back side. The yarn ends are short. For this reason I'm going to use small size hook. I am hiding the green yarn end through the green stitches, dear friends. If I do this, the yarn ends will be invisible. Yes, I am cutting. Okay, I am cutting like this. I'm going to hide the brown color in the same way. I am taking the small size hook in my hand and I am hiding. Yes, it is completely finished, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. If you want to make a garland with these crochet pumpkins, you are taking another color in your hand. I'm going to use a darning needle, inserting my thread through the needle hole. I will through my needle in the back sides of the pumpkins. Like this. It shouldn't be visible in the front. Yes, it's been like this. I cut the both edges like this. You can make a shorter, longer, that's completely depends on you. If you ask my mind, I really loved it. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I will be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.